I'm back again. Last time I bought fruits, but today I'm here for vegetables.
Welcome back, my friend. We have the freshest veggies in town. What are you looking for today?
I'm not sure. Maybe something green and healthy?
Then you came to the right place. Green means good. Here we have carrots, cucumbers, spinach, tomatoes, and broccoli.
Wow. So many colors. What's spinach?
Spinach is a green leaf. You can cook it or eat it fresh in a salad.
Oh, I know. Popeye eats spinach.
Haha, exactly. It makes you strong, at least in cartoons.
I'll take some cucumbers and spinach, please.
Sure, how much would you like?
2 kilos? Is that okay?
Perfect, you can say 2 kilos, please. Or if it's something small, say 2 pieces, please.
Got it. Kilos for weight, pieces for count. Easy. By the way, broccoli looks like a small tree.
Haha, true. Some people call it a green forest.
I like that. Green forest food.
And here's a funny pun. Turnip the volume. It sounds like turn up the volume. People say it as a joke with the vegetable turnip.
Turn up the volume. I'll use that one next time.
Do you want some herbs too? We have parsley, basil, dill, coriander, mint, and rosemary.
So many names. Parsley, mint. Dill? What's dill?
Dill is this one. It smells great with fish or potatoes.
Nice. And coriander, is that the same as cilantro?
Yes, exactly. In American English, they say cilantro.
Oh, English has many flavors, just like your herbs.
You're learning fast. Soon you'll know every vegetable in English.
Well, maybe. But I still mix up cabbage and lettuce all the time.
That's okay. Everyone does. Cabbage is round and thick. Lettuce is softer for salads.
I'll remember that. Cabbage, big head, lettuce, soft head.
Perfect. You'll never forget now.
Okay, I think I'm done. Can I pay by card?
Of course, please tap your card here.
Done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Haha, you're really improving.
Thanks. Learning English at your shop is the best. All right. Today was fun and very green. I learned a lot of new words today. Carrot, cucumber, spinach, basil, parsley, dill, coriander, cabbage, lettuce. And my favorite, turnip. Learning English is just like shopping. You pick new words, try them, and take them home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Lost in English, and join me next time. See you soon. Bye-bye.